In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect headphones in Zoom meeting. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can jump into your next call with crisp audio and no distractions. We'll cover two common connection types on Windows, wired and Bluetooth. The key idea is to get your headphones fully connected first, then open Zoom so it picks the right audio device from the start. If you're using wired headphones with a 3.5mm plug, insert the plug firmly into your computer's headphone jack. Some laptops have a combined headset jack, while desktops might have separate headphone and microphone ports. If you see two ports, choose the one with the headphone icon. If your headphones use USB, plug them into an available USB port. Windows will usually recognize a USB headset automatically and may show a brief setup notification. Give it a few seconds to finish. Once connected, you'll often notice the system sound routes to your headphones right away. Keep your volume at a comfortable level to avoid sudden loud audio. For Bluetooth headphones, start by turning them on and putting them in pairing mode. Many models use a long press on the power or Bluetooth button until a light flashes, but check your device's indicators. On your Windows PC, open Settings, then select Bluetooth and Devices. Click Add Device, choose Bluetooth, and when your headphones appear in the list, select them to pair and connect. If you don't see them right away, make sure they're still in pairing mode, move them closer to your computer, and temporarily disconnect them from other nearby devices that might be holding the connection. After a moment, Windows should show a confirmation that they're connected, often labeled as connected for voice and music. Before you launch Zoom, confirm your headphones are connected and active. This matters because Zoom typically chooses the available audio device when it starts, and having your headphones ready helps it route both your speaker and microphone to the correct place. With wired or Bluetooth headphones properly connected, you'll reduce echo, improve clarity, and keep your conversation private. That's it. Plug in for wired or pair through Windows settings for Bluetooth, and make sure the connection is established before opening Zoom. Following this order gives you the most reliable results with the least troubleshooting. Now you're set to join your meeting with confidence and clear sound.